Hey, in this video I will show you how the Xiaomi Sound Pocket looks, and you will be able to check if your speaker is fake or real. This is actually an original speaker. I get it from official Xiaomi website. So let's find out. I'm gonna zoom in just to show you how it looks. And here we got the silicone Xiaomi phrase. Right here we can actually find some information. So as you can see right here, we can find all of this marking with the Xiaomi name, with some China information. Right here we've got input for USB-C cable. There's some kind of the code. Yeah, this is actually the serial number, and everything is actually well made. This is the rubber. Right here we've got silicone stands. Right here we've got the buttons. Right here we've got power button, Bluetooth button, indicator, and here all around we've got the device name, Xiaomi Sound Pocket, the speaker model, designed by Xiaomi, made in China, official Xiaomi website, input, and here there's second part of the speaker, and yeah, and that's how it looks. So now you can tell me how it looks in your case. Thanks for watching.